Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been so long, please forgive me, but I am going to Disneyland and I thought, why not make a little vlog for you guys? I'm literally getting in the car to go. It's currently, hold on. Okay, so it's currently, I think it's around 7:30 or 8. We're going to Disney and I'm just going for a little bit. I haven't been since I went with my sister and my nephews. It was such a fun trip and I was wanting to vlog it just for the memories, but the day slipped my mind. So I didn't, but obviously I haven't vlogged for you guys in months and I have missed you guys so much. So hopefully vlogs will be back. I want to do like weekly vlogs because my life is just so mundane. I'm just like going to work, you know, just the same stuff. But I do miss vlogging, so I definitely want to do that more. But anyways, let's go to Disney. I'll show you guys an outfit there maybe. But I'm excited. Got my little orange. I think I'm gonna get breakfast inside the parks, so let's drive. It should take about 45 minutes, I think. So, do I have my phone? Oh, I do. Okay, let's go. Okay, we just got here. Just got my parking. And the guy who was like doing the parking was like, welcome friends. And I was like, just me. It's just me. But we're gonna park and then we're gonna head into the park. We're at Disneyland this morning. So I'm excited. I haven't been on a solo trip in a minute, so let's park and then we'll head in. I think I'm gonna go to Space Mountain. It's only a 10-minute wait. And then we're gonna get breakfast. But let's go on a ride first. All right, so Space Mountain is only a 10-minute wait. I've never seen it so short. So we're hopping on it. I haven't been on it in forever. So let's see if it's actually a 10-minute wait. I'm out of breath. I'll let you guys know. But here she is. It looks like a walk-on, and I'm very excited. Okay, we're gonna go on Snow White. It's a 5-minute wait. Space Mountain was amazing. It was a 10-minute wait. So yeah, I love this ride, so let's go on it. Okay, so unfortunately, Snow White went down so before I could go on it, so we had to get out of line, and I'm now waiting at the Red Rose Tavern. I'm inside for my breakfast. So it says take about 3 to 10 minutes, so I'm just waiting for that to get done. But I think I want to try and figure out what ride I want to go on next. I kind of wanted to go on Indiana, so we'll see. Oh, my order is ready. Let's go get it. Okay, here is breakfast. I got the Mickey pancake with sausage, and it comes with like some compote to put on top, and then I got some little hash browns. It looks so good. I'm so excited to dive in, so let's do so. Let me take a picture first. Sausage. Sausage is good. Hash browns are good. Let's try the pancake. Excited. Cheers. Pancake's okay. Not the best pancake I've ever had, but it's pretty good. Alright. I'm gonna eat my food and then I'll talk to you guys once we go on the next ride. I'm not sure what's gonna be yet, but I'm excited. Okay, bye. Just got off Indiana Jones. Great ride. It was like a 30-minute wait. I think we're going Pirates next and possibly do some pinch reading. We'll see. But Indiana Jones, one of my favorites. Was a good time. Hi guys. So I don't even know what time it is. It's currently 10:26, so it's still early in the morning. I think I'm gonna go on Pirates in a little bit, but I stopped and got a mystery pin pack that I think I'm gonna open up. I got it because I'm so excited for the like Halloween time, fall time, and I thought it'd be really cute to wear a couple of these pens once that time hits. It comes early this year. I think it's like almost at the beginning of August. They start decorating for Halloween. So I thought, why not? So we're gonna open it up. I think 2 come in here, and they're all characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. Obviously, I hope I get Santa Claus. Like, if I get him, I'll be so happy, but I think I'm also gonna make a TikTok of it. So, doing the dual content creating right here. Okay. All right, here we go. Hi guys, I am at Disneyland and I thought let's do a little pin unboxing moment. I found this one, Nightmare Before Christmas one, and I thought it'd be perfect because I'm already in the fall mood, even though it's like 100 degrees. But yeah, let's open it and see what we get. Obviously, okay, these are all of the ones that you could get. They're characters from the Nightmare Before Christmas. I would love Santa Claus so much, but I'm okay with any of them. So let's open her up. Rip the bag. I ripped it. Okay. Okay, so there's 2 in here. So let's open up the first one. Okay, he's cute. I don't know characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, a little disappointed, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the next one. Is it someone good? Yes, it is. Okay, I'm happy with this. She is so stinking cute. So that's what I got. I think there's a little like shoulder pet for this guy. That'd be cute to wear that with this pen, but those are the ones that I got, and I'm ready for the Halloween season, even though it's the middle of July and 110 degrees. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Okay, so we got these. I love her. So what's her name? I'm drawing a blank. But these are so cute. I'm happy with these purchases. All right, now let's go on Pirates because I don't know. I've gone on all the rides I wanted to go on, which was just Space Mountain and Indiana Jones were like the main rides I wanted to go on because I haven't been on them in forever. So now I'm just chilling. So let's go on Pirates and then we'll figure out what to do after that. Pirates was a little bit too long of a wait, so we're gonna try Snow White one more time. And maybe a couple rides in Fantasyland, but I don't know. I didn't want to wait that long for Pirates, so we're headed over to Fantasyland. Hopefully we'll have better luck over there. So let's go. And there's the castle in all her glory. She is just so beautiful. I'm a little biased and people think she's small, but she's perfect in my eyes. All right, off to Snow White we go. Okay, totally live, and we're going on Matterhorn. Single rider, of course. Okay, we're finally going on Snow White, hopefully. because it's about that time where I'm about to leave. But I think I want a pickle before I go, so I'm gonna go look and see if I can find one. And then we're gonna maybe do some shopping. And we're gonna head out. I like watermelon with chamoy.
Tell Nana, what would you like?
Let me get a pickle now.
Push hard.
I couldn't resist and I got the watermelon because I've never seen it before. It's watermelon and it has like a little chamoy cup with tahini. Oh, that sounds so refreshing. So I'm just gonna put it in my little lounge fly because I don't want to carry it because I'm not gonna eat it right now. And we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. Not that I need to, but we're gonna see what we can find. Anything new. All right, let's go. Oh, okay. This is the guy I was talking about. This is the pen that I got. He's a little shoulder. You can put on your shoulder. Or maybe it's not a shoulder, it's just like a little stuffed little guy. But this is what I got in my little, what's it called? My little mystery pens. This is the guy. So I guess he's kind of famous. He's kind of cute. I almost bought him last year, so that's funny. I need to figure out what his name is. Vampire teddy bear. Okay. Oh, they have the weighted. I love Lotso. He's one of my favorite Disney characters. I have the one that's strawberry scented, but this one is like the weighted plush, so it's super heavy. I do wish the pink was a little darker. It's a little not like the true color, but they're cute. How much are they? This Lotso is color. I don't know. I hate when they don't have the prices on them. Like, excuse me? I think it's $29.99 though, if I was correct, but if I had to guess. They're cute though. I will give you that. But it's a no for me. Let's see what else there is. These are so cute. Small World. I love the pink bow. Those are super cute. These ones are really cute. Tempted. I really do have too many ears, so I'm gonna hold off for now. This sweatshirt is cute. This one is $54.99. I don't really love the orange color. Oh, this daisy one is so cute. I would get this one. It's just a bajillion degrees. Like, who wants to buy a sweater when it's so hot? Same price for the daisy. I like the daisy better than the mini. There's Donald. Let's look at the pens. The pens! You know, I'm in a Halloween spirit. They only have smalls, or 3X. Size of this 3X. And this is so cute. But I think I'm gonna pass. How much is this? How much? Ugh, doesn't have the price. I hate when I don't have the price. Really cute though. I kind of want it. I don't have my size though, so we're walking away. But I am in the Halloween spirit from those pens I bought. So I kind of want them, but we're gonna walk away. This shirt's cute. How much is this? Please have a price tag on you. Color. Hold on. No price. Not a price on there. Like, why? It says $25 each when you buy two, regularly $29.99. So this is $29.99. But if I buy two, it'll be $25 each. Interesting. I'm gonna pass though. Cute though, really cute. I've never seen this before. This is cute. So cute. How much is this? This is $59.99. This is super cute. Lightweight too. Look at this Winnie the Pooh section. This lounge fly is so adorable. Oh my god, it's so cute. And the matching little wallet. Obsessed. Obsessed with that. If I had to get one jacket, I think it's this one. It's embroidered on the back. And I love this like turquoise color. And I think this one's $59.99. I don't really have a lot of zip up Disney, but this one's super cute. I'm tempted, but not getting it. We're staying strong. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. I'm so proud of myself. All right. We did it. Thank you. Monorail.
Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram.
All right, guys. So it's the end of my little morning here at Disneyland. It's about noon. I'm gonna head home. I did all the rides I wanted to. I got my breakfast. It was just a fun little short trip. I miss doing these vlogs though, so let me know if you guys want me to do more of them. I definitely will be, but thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.